Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the vegetable drawer in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new vegetable drawer. This vegetable drawer is located in the refrigerator section on the left. It's used for storing fruits and vegetables. The main reason to replace the vegetable drawer is if it's broken and won't stay in place or is hard to pull out. To get to the part, we need to open both doors. To remove the vegetable drawer, we simply pull it out and then lift it slightly, and then we can remove it. This is the old vegetable drawer next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. We're going to install a new vegetable drawer by sliding it in slightly on the angle and then push it in. And now we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.